Hey everybody, how you doing today? Yeah? Good? Okay. So, for this episode, I have a real simple Valentine's Day candle holder that I want to decorate with you guys. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use some glitter and probably some Adhesive Bling. I'll list the supplies down below. But I'm doing this because I've recently been working on my kitchen and I'm doing it in red and gold. I'm in the kitchen now and this is a painting that I did and this is symbolic of my ancestry. It's a thing. Anyways, so I think this might be something that you guys can do with the kids if you want, as long as they're supervised. So let's do it. I'm into it. Yeah. For this project, I chose this diamond wrap bling, whatever you want to call it, in the color gold, which I usually never do, but I'm doing something different in my kitchen, and that's where this is going to go. And then I have this, I don't know what this is, if it's a candle holder or a planter, but whatever, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I unwrapped it and I want to go around it, but I'm not going to do the whole thing because I'm going to leave a space somewhere and then I'm going to come in with this red glitter. I'm going to just do this bottom portion. So I'm going to need, what is that? 1, 2, I'm going to say a row of 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut all right, so now that we have it cut, man, there's a freaking staple in there. We're just going to apply it. And like I said, I'm just going to go kind of around that bottom. If you guys hear that noise, that's Fifi. She's out there scratching on the floor because that's how she makes her little bed. I don't know why, because I built her a bed, but she still does that. Okay, whatever. It's her house. You know, she can do whatever she wants. Okay, so there we go. Now, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to come up a little bit higher. And this time I'm going to do a row of 4. Okay, so here's where we're at now. And then we're going to do one more on the top. And for that one, we're going to go back to a row of 3. Okay, now, I mean, if you want, you could leave it like that. But for me, I need to add glitter. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ModPodge and our glitter and go over these blank spaces. You guys, I just read this like really cool fact about reindeer, and I wish I would have known this around Christmas time. It would have been a good one to share, but anyways, check this out. Okay, so normally the reindeer's eyes are like a golden, you know, brownish, regular color eye. But in the winter time, did you know that their eyes turn blue so that they can see at lower light levels? And there's no other mammal on Earth that can do that. That's really freaking cool, man. That's super impressive. Side note, that video is incorrect because Lorena Bobbitt did not bite off the weenus. She, in fact, cut it off. So my apologies. I had been drinking moonshine at the time. My bad. Okay, I just wanted to put some wax paper down real quick. But we have our ModPodge, our glitter, and I just use an old paintbrush. I got this at the dollar. Actually, all of this is from the dollar store, I think, except for the glitter. And we begin. Okay, I'm sorry about that, Fifi. She doesn't like the wind. And I think it's storming or starting to. Fifi. All right. Now, I'm only doing, a little bit at a time because this stuff dries so fast. Okay. Okay, so there we are so far. All right, I'm going for the next part. Okay, so that's it for right now. So the next thing we're going to do is, and I'm not going to do this on camera because it's not even a big deal, but I like to spray it. You can use hairspray or any kind of a sealant. There's a ModPodge sealant that you can use so that you don't have glitter fall out. Like when you do your makeup, same thing. So I'll be back after we do that, and then we'll do the next part. The last part is really easy. So I already went ahead and sprayed the glitter. And now you're just gonna take your, well, this is a fake candle. Now you can use a real one if you want to, but I wouldn't light it. So pop that baby in there. And then I separated these gold and red glitter balls that I've used in some previous projects. I just had these left over. So I'm just gonna start, dropping them in there. And I think I have more gold than I do red. So I'm putting the gold down first. And I'm losing my stuff here. God dang. All right, so now I can go ahead and start adding the red and the gold. You know what I mean? Just kind of mix them all in there. That's it. We're done. I hope you guys like it. Obviously, if you're gonna have that candle going, you're gonna have to take all that stuff out and then light it, you know, turn it on and then put it back in. I rarely ever light these. They're just for decoration, so I'm good with that, but you know, just something to think about. But anyways, I hope that you had fun today, and you know, this is something that you could probably do with your kids if you wanted to. Anyway, thank you for coming to today's show, and I hope you guys have a great day and you stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.